so once again we're going to look at 5 minutes craft at some very good life hacks. 26 outstanding home decor dies that look better than those in Ikea. Swedish decor dice looks fucking best. That looks like shit. Okay. What are you going to do with that? Okay, let's see what you're going to use that to. Okay. It was an accident. That's actually pretty smart. It's not like their other life hacks while just cheating a kid on the ground. It's like, yeah, it's too big. Yeah, take a coin and stick it up your ass.